Hey guys, it's me Mitchell.
And Megan.
Your Wednesdays on Truth Plus Dare.
This week's truth on Truth Plus Dare is...
Have you ever been in an airplane before?
I've been in an airplane once, but I can't quite remember it. I just know that on my 3rd birthday, I went to Hawaii. So I was really little and obviously I can't remember it.
I've been on an airplane a few times also. I've only been to a couple places. Going to Hawaii, I've went to Arizona, but I have been on an airplane.
Yes, me too. This week's Dare on Truth Plus Dare is...
To act like an airplane or pretend to be an airplane in public. So we're gonna go out in public with a Bluetooth speaker and we're gonna play airplane noises really loud. So here we go. Let's go.
Moskeedog to command center. We are taking off. Mayday. Am I clear? Am I clear for takeoff? Woo! Mayday! We're flying blind! Mayday!
They see me rolling, they hating.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
As always, guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to Truth Plus Dare if you haven't already, and subscribe to our main channels.
Mine is Megny5.
And my channel's moskeedog. Check out everyone else's awesome videos on Truth Plus Dare, guys. We're all gonna be acting like airplanes in public, and we really want these videos to take off.
Wow!
So definitely check them out.
So once again, thanks for watching. Come back to see us
Every Wednesday on Truth Plus Dare.
Bye!
Bye!
Ow!
Sorry.